Welcome to our Sustainability Report for 2014. I am Nick Fletcher, Managing Director of Morgan Sindall Infrastructure, and as a major UK construction company, it is clear to me we need to play a leadership role in driving forward our industry sustainability performance. In this film, you will hear how we've performed as a responsible, sustainable business against our model of sustainability. We call it our total commitments. You will also hear what this means to our clients and our suppliers. We are Morgan Sindall, the construction, infrastructure and design division of Morgan Sindall Group plc, a leading UK construction and regeneration group. We deliver sustainable projects by investing, caring and protecting both the communities and the environment where we work, not only to protect them, but to leave a better place following our construction activity and lasting legacy to that locality. Our 6 total commitments to our people, the communities and the environment where we work forms our people, planet, profit commitment to sustainability, enshrined within our vision and values. This is underpinned by our 100% safe culture and our perfect delivery philosophy. I am very proud of our progress and achievements in sustainability in 2014. The external awards we have won reflect the commitment and passion for sustainability that exists within our business. This passion and commitment is there not just from the directors on the executive team, but also from our people out on our sites and our projects and in our offices. For us, being a responsible, sustainable business is at the heart of delivering great projects.
Our sustainability strategy is set out in our 6 total commitments, and I'll run through each of these into 6 in turn, telling you how we've performed in 2014. Then you'll hear from our colleagues on how their site or project contributed towards this strategy. We have a total commitment to a safe environment. Ensuring the safety of our people is a key priority for us.
And ensured through our 100% safe culture. In 2014, we had 30 riddles. However, 95% of the 348 different projects we worked on were riddle-free.
This total commitment also includes the protection of the environment, and through our careful management practices in 2014 we had 0 major environmental incidents.
At Canterbury College, we minimise noise, dust and vibration nuisance by using remote monitoring devices. If any of the trigger levels were approached, automated email and text alerts informed our operation team and immediate action could be taken, keeping disturbance to a minimum in a live college and city centre environment.
On A1L to B, we take great care to protect the environment. For example, when diverting a main river with no pollution incidents through the use of effective silt mitigation. Over here, 7 of us caught and moved 600 fish during the diversion works.
We have a total commitment to developing talented employees, investing in their future. And in 2014, we provided an average of 1.98 training days per employee, supported 206 apprentices on our sites and in our offices. And to help with local youth unemployment, we also provided 64 work placements through the Job Centre Plus scheme, of which 18 resulted in full-time employment with us.
On the A1L to B during 2014, we have 5 engineering apprentices on the project, 4 university graduates put into employment, 89 people put through construction curriculum support activities, providing guidance for our route into the construction industry, and 23 jobs created as a result of the project through the National Skills Academy.
We have a total commitment to reducing energy use and carbon emissions. In 2014, we produced 34,596 tonnes of CO2, which is actually a 24% reduction on the previous year.
In utility services, we are just using a hybrid generator on the Middleton National Grid substation project, reducing fuel use by 30%, saving 78 tonnes of carbon.
On the M1 Junction 19 to 16 project, we saved 170 tonnes of carbon by processing and then reusing asphalt planings on site.
We have a total commitment to reducing waste. In 2014, we produced 1,135,149 tonnes of waste. However, we diverted 90% of this from landfill, ensuring that this was either reused or recycled.
Here on the M1 junction 19 to 16 project, we process 20,000 tonnes of asphalt planings and concrete materials on site so that we can reuse it back into the works.
At Canterbury College, we reuse 93% of material on site produced by crushing the concrete and masonry from the demolition of the existing buildings. In total, we ensured that 98% of inert and non-hazardous material was diverted from landfill.
On the A1L to B, we're using 600,000 tonnes of spoil from the scheme to use as infill in the former quarry area you can see behind me, restoring the area back to agricultural use and creating a wildlife corridor to enhance local biodiversity. This is an excellent example of waste minimisation, and through diverting 600,000 tonnes of spoil from landfill, the project is also saving a massive 5,500 tonnes of CO2.
We have a total commitment to improving sustainable procurement.
At On Labours, we help our customers, such as Morgan Sindall, become more sustainable by ensuring all the timber we supply is sustainably sourced with the appropriate certifications such as FSC or PEFC.
We co-founded the Supply Chain Sustainability School, a virtual learning platform that's free for our supply chain to make use of. And in 2014, more of our supply chain became active members of the school.
At Canterbury College, 61% of the total project value was spent with local businesses, and 82% of all the subcontractors and suppliers used were either a small or medium-sized business. We really believe in community investment and being responsible in our operation by leaving this legacy. That's our total commitment.
Our total commitment is to supporting local economic growth by actively engaging with the local community. And in 2014, we invested in an online tool that allows us to quantify the economic value we create in that local community. And in 2014, we used the tool known as LM3 on 14 of our projects, showing that for every £1 of project spend, we provided an average of £1.53 benefit to local communities.
We prioritise our supply chain on locality to our sites, and our Liverpool Schools investment programme is using 80% local labour. We embrace diversity in our business and featured at Liverpool Pride. We also promote jobs for women in construction. Our Sellafield accommodation project in Cumbria added value to the local economy and its regeneration. Every £1 of construction spent resulted in £1.26 community benefit.
So those are our total commitments to being a responsible, sustainable business. And we take time to really understand what is important to our clients, helping them achieve their sustainability goals too.
So Rob, what does sustainability mean to Network Rail?
Well, sustainability is key to Network Rail, to our business now and our business for the future. It's a careful balance of social issues, economic and environmental issues. It's about doing the right thing now to protect future generations.
To be a responsible business?
Absolutely, yeah, to do the right thing.
So when we're coming to investing in our railway, we want to build it in a sustainable way as well. So the vision for Network Rail's sustainability is quite simple. It's building a railway that's fit for the future. So we've got objectives around all of the different aspects of sustainability.
So how can we then, Rob, as your contractor, help you, Network Rail, achieve your sustainability goals?
As with all these goals, we can't do them on our own, and without the contractor, we won't be successful. So we need to work closely together to do the right thing.
So maybe that's to do with how you manage environmental risk and opportunities, but also how you work with the local communities and neighbours, and how you deliver value for money and efficiency for us as a client.
So we built Rugby Rail Operating Centre. How did we help you deliver against your sustainability goals?
So Morgan Sindall was actually able to divert 95% of their waste from landfill, which meets our targets in terms of looking to reduce waste to landfill. And also the way that they worked with the neighbours and the local communities and businesses in this area. So they were really able to make a difference by using local suppliers and businesses and bringing economic benefit to the local people. And they're also interacting great with the neighbours and the schools as well, and developing relationships that I hope will last into the future as Network Rail continues to work in this area.
So Rob, does a contractor's sustainability performance influencing you when selecting a contractor to undertake projects such as this?
Absolutely, it literally does make the difference between winning and losing a project, losing the bid. You know, it is a case of there's 5% as a standard application, and if there's no sustainability type performance in there, it literally is 0 out of 5. So it can make the difference between a contractor winning or losing a job.
We can't deliver our sustainability strategy without our supply chain, such as our timber suppliers.
One of Morgan Sindall's social commitments is around developing talented people. So in 2014 we provided a training opportunity for Morgan Sindall's environmental team, sharing with them how we work with our supply chain in the sustainable management of forests, and then how the timber felled is processed into the products Morgan Sindall can be assured are sustainably and responsibly sourced.
When it comes to our sustainability reporting, we're committed to do this in an open, accurate and transparent way. And we use external assurance to provide that third-party verification. And in 2014, we had a bumper year and are seen as industry leaders, both at corporate and also at site level. At corporate level, for construction and infrastructure, we report against BITC's CR Index, or Corporate Responsibility Index, which challenges how a company is governed, how responsible practices are integrated into the business as usual approach, and really tests the extent to which you minimise your social and environmental risks and also your impacts. And we did amazingly, scoring 4 stars and 96%, and coming top of the index's construction and materials sector, a great recognition for our concerted efforts. At site level, we use the Considerate Constructors scheme to provide that external assurance of just how responsible we are on a site-by-site basis. And we are regarded as industry leaders, but don't just take my word for it.
Morgan Sindall are one of the most committed companies in the UK to the Considerate Construction scheme, and that is demonstrated through their consistent high performance. This level of performance places Morgan Sindall as industry leaders with respect to considerate construction. Morgan Sindall sites operate to a high standard, consistently scoring above the industry average. In 2014, Morgan Sindall's average score was 40.21 compared to an industry average of 35.62. In 2014, Morgan Sindall won 38 national site awards in total, demonstrating the very highest commitment to the community, the environment, and to the workforce on their sites.
Winning 38 national site awards in 2014 placed us as the top performing contractor in the UK. And we have just heard that at the 2015 National Site Awards, we have won 40 awards. And so, for the second year running, we are the top performing contractor, something we're very proud of. We got 1 Most Considerate Site runner-up, 3 golds, 18 silvers and 18 bronzes. In 2014, we sponsored Syria's Biodiversity Awards to encourage and inspire our colleagues to enhance and also enrich the number and variety of wildlife species on site. Because we care not only about protecting the environment, but also about improving the environment and leaving a legacy as a responsible business for future generations. And we will continue to drive improvements in sustainability throughout 2015 and beyond.
I hope you found the film helpful in understanding how we have embedded sustainability in the business in 2014. And we will continue to be a responsible, sustainable business to deliver great projects to the communities we serve.